Day 24, and what we've done this time is more rigging. We've done all the furling lines, all these white lines that come down here onto these white pins. So all the furling lines are done. And what we've also done is made these, which are upside down, the balcony belay points. So this will go sit on the balcony like this. Well, it does, it's probably the wrong way around. It'll sit on the balcony, and there's another 20 belay points there. But I've come to a bit of an impasse because there's a gap, and I can't work out how to fill the gap yet. So until I work that out, we're a bit of a standpoint. But yeah, that's what we got, day 24.